See children, so the next we have from this lesson poem, that is healthy fruits and vegetables. We have completed the poem and textual grammar, right? And now workbook exercise, workbook grammar and exercise, whatever we have, we can say in this. First one we have nurture your mind. So understand your mind, how much you have understood from this poem. What is that? First, answer the following questions. So questions they have given one by one. So open your workbook and according to me follow that one. What is the first one? Which fruit, what do we have? Which fruit and vegetable, which fruit and vegetable do you like to eat? Do you like to eat in your breakfast? In your breakfast. So which fruit and vegetable do you like to eat in your breakfast? So this is the first question. So your favorite means you can write your favorite fruit and your favorite vegetable. Okay. So this is not a specified answer. Your wish, anything. So generally I am telling. So fruit I like mango and banana. Mango, banana. These are the fruits I am telling. And vegetable. So I like carrot to eat. So carrot, beetroot, anything, broccoli. So anything you can write, banana and carrot, broccoli, your wish, which fruit, vegetable, both, one fruit, one vegetable, at least you write them. Okay children. So this is your favorite, that's why I am not specifying anything. Generally I wrote two, your wish, any two you can write. Okay children. So see the next question, second question, what do we have? Write the names. Write the names of vegetables. Write the names of vegetables mentioned. Mentioned means they have explained. Okay. Mentioned in the poem. In the poem. Which poem is it? So, healthy fruits and vegetables. In the poem, healthy fruits and vegetables. Healthy fruits and vegetables. So, write the names of fruits and write the names of vegetables mentioned in the poem. What is the poem name? Healthy fruits and vegetables. So what are the vegetable names mentioned in this? Yes, very good. What are those? Carrot, broccoli, broccoli spelling B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli and pumpkin. And pumpkin. Right children? P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Carrot, broccoli and pumpkin. What are these? Write the names of vegetables mentioned in the poem. What is the poem? Healthy fruits and vegetables. So which vegetables they mention in this? Carrot, broccoli and pumpkin. Carrot, broccoli and pumpkin. These vegetables are mentioned in the poem healthy fruits and vegetables. Healthy fruits and vegetables. Okay children, understood these two? Which fruit and vegetable do you like to eat in your breakfast? That is your wish. That's why you can write any one fruit name and one vegetable name. Here I wrote mango, banana and carrot. Mango every season is not possible, na? That's why I wrote banana in every season and carrot. And next one, write the names of vegetables mentioned in the poem. In this poem they mention healthy vegetables and healthy fruits. So here they asked the question about healthy vegetables. So which poem, what is the name of the poem? Healthy fruits and vegetables. So what are the vegetables they mentioned in this? Carrot, broccoli and pumpkin. Carrot, broccoli and pumpkin. So see the third question. See the third question, children. What is the third question? Write the names of fruits. The names of fruits mentioned in the poem. Write the names of fruits mentioned in the poem. What is the name of the poem? Healthy fruits and vegetables. Healthy fruits and vegetables. vegetables. Healthy fruits and vegetables. Write the names of fruits mentioned in the poem. Just now we have written names of vegetables. Now it is names of fruits mentioned in the poem. So what are the names of fruits in this? Yes, tell me, what are those? Mango, melon, lemon and grapes. So these fruits they have mentioned in the poem healthy fruits and vegetables, right? Write the names of fruits mentioned in the poem healthy fruits and vegetables. What are the fruits names in this poem? Mango, melon, lemon and grapes. So these they have mentioned. And see the fourth question, next question. Which food should we avoid in our daily routine? So which food should we avoid in our daily routine? What should we avoid? Yes, junk food, right? So right answer for this. We should avoid junk food from our daily routine. So from our daily routine life, we should avoid junk food. Okay, children, understood? So write the names of fruits mentioned in the poem healthy fruits and vegetables. What are the fruits they mentioned in this? Mango, lemon, melon and grapes. And now which food should we avoid in our daily routine? Which we cannot eat, which is bad for health? Yes, we should avoid junk food from our daily routine. Okay, children. So these are the question answers they have given. Then we can see next grammar topic. See, children, so the next we have write down the plural forms of the following words. Plural forms, can you remember? Singular form, plural form. So only one if we have, that is called singular. So for more than one if we have, that is called plural. So plural, to get it means we should add yes, es, right? Like this we should add it. So now see here. So what do we have? First one, nut. Nut. So cashew nut, cashew nuts, pista, badam nuts, all these are nuts only, na? So more if we have, what do we call? Very good, nuts. So only one if we have, nut, and more than one if we have, plural form is nuts. Okay, like this you tell me remaining answers also. So nut, nuts. Nut is a singular and nuts is a plural form. And fruit, only one if we have fruit. More if we have, what do we call this one? Very good, fruits. Spelling F-R-U-I-T-S. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. And see the next one, yes, your favorite, balloon. Only one if we have, balloon. More than 1, 3, 4, 5 if we have, we call it balloons. Spelling B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. See the next one, pencil. Only one pencil you have or more? 3. 3. How many 3? What do you have? 3 pencil or 3 pencils? 3 pencils. So singular, plural form, pencils. Spelling P-E-N-C-I-L-S. P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Pencils. Okay, children. Yes, your favorite one. You have toys also this. Car. C-A-R, car. Only one. If you have 2, 3, 4, you write those are cars. C-A-R-S. 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 Cars. Okay, children. C-A-R-S. Cars. Next one, girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Only one girl. But you have classmates, so many are here. What do you call them? All those are girls, right? Plural form for this, girls. Spelling G-I-R-L-S. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. Okay, children. And see the next one, hand. Only one. But 2 if we take it, hands, right? H-A-N-D, hand, plural form, H-A-N-D-S, hands, hands. See the next one, toy, T-O-Y, toy. How many you have? Only one? No, so many. So many toys. T-O-Y-S. T-O-Y-S, toys, right? So, nut, nuts. Fruit, fruits. Balloon, balloons. Pencil, pencils. Car, cars. Girl, girls. Hand, hands. Toy, toys. Okay, children. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. Okay. Can you understand? So, note it down in your book. See, children. So, in this we have next fill in the missing letters. So, they missed some letters in this. And complete the words. So, we should complete the word by writing the missed letters. By writing the missed letters, we should complete the word. Okay, children. So, what are the words? We get it also. They have given here. What are those? Fruits. First, they have given fruits, salad, carrot, lunch, food, cherries. Food, cherries. So, these 6 words they have given. So, here we should take it which are suitable. Here we should. So, 6 we should find it. Okay, children. So, here 6 they have given. So, 6 what are the suitable one? We should take it. See the first one. What do we have? F dash dash D. Yes, there you can find easily. Yes, this is food. Food. F-O-O-D. F-O-O-D. That is called food. And see the second one, L dash N dash H. Yes, daily afternoon what do you eat? Lunch. What is the spelling? L-U-N-C-H. Write down. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. Spelling L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. And see the next one. S-L-D. What is this? Your favorite fruit salad. S-A-L-A-D. Salad. Spelling S-A-L-A-D. Salad. Okay. And see the next one. This is one of your favorite vegetables. What is this? Carrot. C-R-T. Yes. What's the spelling of carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Write down. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Next one. F-U-T-. So what is this? Your favorite, these are also. What are those? Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Right? F-R-U-I-T-S. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Okay, children. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Next, left over, what is this? Yes, cherries. Very tasty cherries, na? Spelling C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. Cherries. So, write it down. C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. Cherries. Right? Food, lunch, salad, carrot, fruits, cherries. Right? So, very favorite, and all these are fruits and vegetables only. Right? Let's see the next one. See, children, so the next we have in this Mother and Mohit. Mother and Mohit are in the market. So, both are in the market. What happened? Mother is buying the vegetables. Mother is buying the vegetables. Right? Mothers, they go to market for buying the vegetables mainly, na? So, mother is buying the vegetables and Mohit chooses fruits. Mohit chooses fruits. And write the names of the fruits and vegetables under the name of the person who is buying them. So, under the name of the person who is buying them. That means, mother, what is she buying? She is buying the vegetables. So, in these pictures, see those pictures? In those pictures, whatever the vegetables you see, write in the mother box. And whatever the fruits you can see in the, from that, those you write here. So, those you write that is the fruits here. Okay, children? Understood? So, here vegetables and here fruits we should write. So, there you have the list of fruits and vegetables. In your book you have, and here you can see on the screen. So, what is this? So, whatever the first, what do you have? Yes, that is apple. Apple is a fruit or vegetable? Very good. Fruit. Fruit means where we should write? Mohit is buying fruits, na? That's why apple here we should write it. Apple here we should write. And next, down the apple, what do we have? Yes, peas. Peas. Peas is vegetable or fruit? Vegetable. Then vegetable means we should write in the mother. Okay, under the mother. And next, what do we have? Carrot. Carrot. Carrot also vegetable. So, then write carrot here. Okay, children. And next, what do we have? Yes, yummy, yummy. Mango. Right. So, mango is a fruit or a vegetable or fruit? It's a fruit. Then Mohit. So, here mango. Under Mohit we should write. Next, what do we have? Banana. Banana also fruit. So, then write banana here. Okay, children. And see the next one, what do we have? Yes, pear. Pear we have. Pear is also fruit. So, that's why we should write pear here. Okay, children. And see the next one, potato. Potato. Potato is vegetable. So, then it is under mother. Okay, child. Next one, what do we have? Pumpkin. Yes, very round, big pumpkin. Pumpkin is vegetable or fruit? Yes, that is vegetable. So vegetables we should write under mother. Then we should write pumpkin here. Pumpkin. Pumpkin in the mother. And under mother. Next one, what do we have? Yes, very delicious. Red color cherry. Cherry is a vegetable or fruit? Very good. Fruit. So then under the Mohit. Cherry spelling Cherry. Okay, children. And next what do we have? Yes, cauliflower. Cauliflower is vegetable or fruit? Yes, vegetable. So cauliflower. Spelling Cauliflower. Spelling Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Okay, children. Next one, what do we have? Next pig. Next one we have, yes, very tasty mango. That is grapes, right? Angur. Grapes. So that is a fruit. That's why we write under the Mohit. And next, last, what do we have? Cabbage. So cabbage is under mother because it is a vegetable. It is vegetable. That's why we should write under mother. So all these are vegetables. What are those? Peas, carrot, potato, pumpkin, cauliflower, cabbage. All these are vegetables. That's why we wrote under the mother. And these fruits, one see, apple, mango, banana, pear, cherry, grapes. All are fruits. That's why we wrote under Mohit. Understood this one? By seeing the picture, fruits, vegetables under mother and fruits under Mohit. So now all of you write like this. Copy it down. See children, so the last topic in this poem, your fruits and healthy fruits and vegetables. The last we have, what is this? Draw and color your favorite fruit and vegetable and write at about each in 3 or 4 lines. In 3 or 4 lines. So your favorite fruit. I don't know what is your favorite fruit and your favorite vegetable, right? That's why you only should do this one. So your favorite fruit, you paste the picture here. Okay, any paper cut, you take it and paste it. And write at least 3 to 4 sentences about your favorite fruit. Okay, children. And see here your favorite vegetable. This is also take your favorite vegetable picture and paste it here. And then write 3 to 4 sentences about your favorite vegetable. Okay, children. So this is your activity. Your own favorite you take it, not of others. Your own favorite fruit and your own favorite vegetable you take it. Paste the pictures and write the sentences about them. Okay, children. Can you do it? Okay, I'll check it in the next class.